We're leaving that in. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Cutting that out.
Naughty,
That was
naughty.
for you. Oh.
Yeah, that was me, my ventriloquist.
We have a box.
There could be a boat in it. I guess metaphorically speaking. All right,
Can I open it?
Yes, please open this box.
Okay.
So.
Said Cardi B one time.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look, it's our stuff.
It's our stuff.
Then why do we got this one? Who that one?
Well,
Okay.
all right, so what we have here, Disney Cruise Line, where magic meets the sea. These are our MagicBand pluses, like over here, MagicBand Plus, our MagicBand. So we have 3 of them in here, and look, they have our names.
Yeah.
So what's in the middle?
Misty, and it's Minnie Mouse, and it's pink.
And then we have, all the way over on the right,
is me, and I'm a cherry Minnie Mouse.
A cherry Minnie Mouse. And then we have...
Capitan.
And this, this is a Disney Cruise Line exclusive band.
Ooh, fancy man pants.
And you can only get these via the Disney Cruise Line page when you have a cruise booked. Now, these other ones, these are available also on the Disney Store online as well as at the Disney parks. But the ship-specific ones are only available through Disney Cruise Line. And then if we can get this open, it should also have...
your name engraved on it.
It should have our names engraved on the inside as well.
Cool.
So we have our instructions here for the MagicBand Plus and how they work.
Cool.
And there's going to be more information underneath.
So
anyway, we had this other one that came in the mail separately with an order from the Disney Store with some Christmas items and Halloween items. And this is obviously Stitch themed because we love Lilo and Stitch around here. But as we alluded to earlier, and we just confirmed from a video call, somebody's coming with us on the cruise.
We have a 4th. There's going to be a number 4.
A number 4. Who's coming with us?
Best friend Ba.
Neighbor Ba. Neighbor mom.
Yeah.
AKA
my mom. Our mom.
Our mom. My mother-in-law, her
my
mom.
My biological mother.
Yes. And my
Yeah, your mother too.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, mom's coming too. We decided, we convinced her to come along with us. So fortuitously, we have magic bands for everybody.
Yeah.
And so, again, the way these work is they take the place of your key to the world card or your cruise card or whatever you want to call it. And so instead of having to use a card that opens your room on the cruise ship and you can use to pay for things throughout the ship, you can use these bands, which is, I used something similar to this like 20 years ago when I was in Dubai.
Oh, yeah.
So yay, Disney technology catching up to what they have in the Middle East. But they also have haptic feedback. They light, they blink, they pulse and tune with certain events on the ship, and at the parks as well, but particularly on the ship during certain shows or during the fireworks that they're going to have on Pirate Night.
Pirate Night.
And you can, as you can see, we have them for, all 4 of us, and one of us is a child. So when you get closer to your cruise and you do your online check-in via your Disney Cruise Line app, you're able to do configuration to the bands to let them know it's like, okay, this one is for this person, this one's for that person. And if you have children in your party, you can configure there so that it's not connected to whatever your payment method is, so they only have access to certain features. And for the kids club, the Oceaneer Club on ship, that's how they keep track of them and do the check-ins and the check-outs. And so we're very excited about this. Are we not?
Yeah, we are.
Super excited. And I just love the packaging to this. You open it up and it's just beautiful stuff. And so let's see what's underneath here.
Cords. Charging cords?
Yep. They each have charging cords.
I like the smell. Smell like a new shoe.
Smell like a new shoe. So they each have charging cords. It's a standard USB connection. And of course, I know most people are thinking, oh my God, another thing to charge times 3. There is a company that makes 3D printed charging towers for MagicBands.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll hold anywhere from 3 to 5 of them, depending on what you get. And so, since we're going on a very maritime cruise, I'm thinking about getting the one that is shaped like a Christmas tree, and it holds 4 of them. And so, you put all of your bands on there and the chargers, and then it has just one cable that goes to plug into your electrical source to charge them all.
Cool.
So that's probably what we're going to do, because as anyone can tell you that's been on a cruise before, power outlets are at a premium.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, and so
it was very handy on our last cruise that my phone just stopped working on day 2. Like,
yes, so
we got on the ship and then the next day.
So yeah, those neck lanyards that have waterproof bags that you can put your phone in, get one. Everyone,
aggressive.
I'm not saying that to you. I'm just saying that to the world. People should get them.
Yeah.
Do not trust the waterproof rating of your phone, particularly when the ocean is involved, because seawater and the salt and the sea air is particularly vicious to any type of electronics.
Or like when you go to Great Wolf Lodge and your husband says that your phone is waterproof.
Well, but that's not seawater. Yeah, well, the waterproof ratings of our technology, it degrades over time. We'll just say that. But these MagicBands, they are waterproof. You can wear them in the pools, in the ocean, in shower, bathtub, whatever. Yes, we're gonna have a bathtub on our ship. Yay, Disney! It's not gonna be just a little tiny tube like we had on Royal Caribbean. But, hey, that's one of the things that sets Disney apart. So anyway, that is our unboxing video of our MagicBands.
I like them.
You like them?
Which one do you think Mom's going to have? She'll take the Stitch one, or do you think Mishti will take it?
I think I think Mishti should wear hers, and that, perhaps I'll wear the Stitch and Mom can wear the one that has my name on it.
Okay.
I think that's what we should go with.
Okay.
I know, because it's she's our new guest of honor.
Yeah. It took a lot of convincing from everybody, not just us. My brother and sister-in-law, my aunts and uncles.